Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and cut out this 90 degrees peplum just as you've seen in the picture. So you know that for 90 degrees peplum you're going to multiply your waist circumference times 2 plus your seam allowance 2 inches, and then you divide it by 3.14. You're going to see that, and so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I got 22 when I did my waist was 70. It was 35 times 2, 70 plus 2 inches for seam allowance, 77 divided by 3.14. I had 22, so I went ahead and marked 22 up after folding my fabric like a triangle, two pieces, not four, two pieces. So I went ahead to do that, and then I marked the points. Then from where I marked out my first set of values, I went ahead to add my peplum length, which was 8 plus half inch for joining allowance, which is 8.5. So I went ahead and added it round as well. So guys, after that I went ahead to measure the length of my waistline, my waist circumference round, to be sure that it is what I had before I went ahead to draw out my lines and cut. So you can see I went ahead to cut it, and we had our 90 degrees peplum. It came out very nice, by the way. I hope that someone learned something from this video. Please always measure your waist circumference, that's your waistline. Make sure it's the same with your waist circumference before you cut out. This is very important. I hope someone learned something from this video. If you're yet to subscribe, if you're yet to be a part of our family, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can know when we put up nice videos like this for you to see. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye for now.